Yo, what's going on guys? Rhys here from Stoic Pool, and in this video we're going to be basically kicking off a little series where we design and send out some NFTs to my delegators. Let's get into it. Right guys, so basically this ebook 291, we minted our 100th block. So as part of that little celebration, I'm basically going to be giving out an NFT, like a 100th block NFT, to all of my delegators. Now, luckily, there has already been a way to actually set this up, so it's kind of automated. And all you need to do basically is get your delegators to sign up for it. And so super easy, everything's minted randomly as and when based on rules that you pre-specify. So if you're interested in doing something like this, then this next selection of videos, this little playlist that I'm putting together, is basically going to take you through the entire process. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the tools that we're going to be using. So let me do this. So the main tool that we're going to be using is called Poolperks, and Poolperks is a website that a guy, Andrew, who's made an SBO, has made a bunch of tools for SBOs. He basically put together to enable people to, SBOs specifically, to distribute NFTs as a bonus to their delegators, and it's made the process automated, so you don't have to mint NFTs and then send transactions individually. And what it does is it also requires people to sign up, so to register for their NFTs, so that you're not minting loads of NFTs excessively and then you've got a bunch of files just sitting around, or a bunch of tokens sitting around. So that is done through this website. I'm just going to put that up here so you can see what's going on. So that's all done through this website, Poolperks, and you can go to Poolperks and you can see how it works. Basically, this website shows all the pools that are doing perks, have these promotions for their, not promotions, but perks for delegators, and you can view the perks that each of them do. So let's just go on view perks of blue cheese, and these are the ones that he has, which is pretty cool. Let me just zoom in on that actually. There you go. So there are these, and these are the percentages or the likelihood chance of getting any particular NFT. So for example, this space metal one, there's only a 5% chance, so it's quite a rare one. And vice versa. Cool. So participating pools, SBO info, etc, etc. So there's loads of pools who are involved in this, who have their own rewards, and I'm going to be added to that list very shortly. In order to do this as an SBO, you just basically go to SBO info. It takes you to a page like this where you can sign up. So you see here that I've already verified my pool. You do that just by signing a transaction basically in CNCLI, which is a tool that he's also put together, our mate Andrew. And then you add your perks and you just upload them here, what they call the percentage or the chance of getting anything, and all that information. So we're going to do that in a couple of videos time. The other tool that we're going to be using is called Aseprite, which is basically a pixel art tool, think like Photoshop or Paint for pixel art specifically. You can use other tools. You can do it with Photoshop. You have to edit the blurring between pixels and stuff like that, and then you have to zoom right in. Or you can also probably do it on Paint if you only had that tool. I really like Aseprite. I've used it for other things, so this is kind of what's going on. And this is a little preview of the basic version of the NFT that I created. It took about an hour to design this. This is not going to be a tutorial on Aseprite, just so you guys know, but you can definitely get it down in the link below. I'll just connect set up a little link for you guys so you can get hold of it if you're interested in doing something like this yourself. Cool, and that's it. It's just those two tools. That's literally all we need. Right guys, that's it for this video. This is just an introduction to the series so you understand kind of why I'm doing what I'm doing, the process that I'm going through, and how I'm going to be distributing these to my delegators. If you delegate to Stoic, then you can go to, you can contact me, because I have a link to this eventually once the thing goes up. Once it goes live, but it's not at the minute. I'll do a full announcement in one of the pool updates, but you should be able to go to poolperks.io and actually check out these NFTs and sign up, register, and get your NFTs yourself. Otherwise, guys, that's literally it for this video. If you're not already, delegate to Stoic Pool. Give us a like, subscribe, leave any questions or comments, etc. down in the box below. I'll catch up in the next one. See you then.